In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task lists in Confluence. By the end, you'll be able to add simple, clean checklists to any page so your team can track progress at a glance. First, open or create a page. Head to your Confluence space and open an existing page, or click Create to start a new one. If you're looking at a page but don't see the editing toolbar, click Edit to switch into editing mode. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the text cursor and the formatting options at the top. If you're creating a new page, give it a clear title so teammates can find it later. Next, insert a task list. You have two quick options. The fastest way is to type two square brackets, like this, open bracket, close bracket, then press the spacebar. Confluence instantly converts that into a checkbox right on the page. If you prefer using commands, type a / followed by the word task, then choose task list from the menu that appears. Either method gives you the same result, so use whichever feels more natural. By the way, if you need Confluence or want to learn more, I've placed a link to the official website at the very top of the description, so you can get started right away. Now add your tasks. Click next to the checkbox and type the task name. Keep each task short and action-oriented so it's easy to scan. Press Enter to create another checkbox directly beneath the first one, and repeat for all the tasks you want to track. For example, you might add tasks like define project scope, create wireframes, review with client, and launch website. If you make a typo, just edit the text like any other line. When it's time to update progress, mark tasks complete. Simply click the checkbox to toggle it on. If you clicked it by mistake, click again to uncheck it. This is great during stand-ups or reviews because everyone can see exactly what's done and what's still open. Finally, publish the page. Click Publish in the top right corner to save your task list and make it visible to others who have access. If you're not ready to share yet, your changes remain as a draft until you publish. Later, if you need to adjust your list, click Edit, make your changes, and publish again. That's it. You've just created a clear, easy-to-use task list in Confluence. If this helped, consider sharing it with your team so everyone follows the same simple process. Thanks for watching.